Chris here is a songwriter for some of the nation's brightest up-and-coming performers. He's about to send his biggest client, Anastasia Starr, a renewal form for another year's worth of songs. Not a problem. With Jotform Prefill, Anastasia can respond to the form with minimal effort. She gets on with her busy schedule, and Chris gets a faster response. There's more than one way to pre-fill a form. Jotform Prefill lets you send a form that's been pre-populated either manually, from a Jotform Table, a separate form using SSO, or from HubSpot or Salesforce. For this form, Chris pre-populated it manually with all of Anastasia's key information. All she has to do is sign and submit. Boom. Improve your response rate with pre-filled forms from Jotform today. This is awesome.